Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude 4xe in granite crystal metallic. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7735.